Good day. Today we'll talk about the mean value theorem. The theorem states that if a function f is continuous on the closed interval a to b, meron daw tayong real number c in that interval na a to b such that the definite integral from a to b ni f of x dx equal siya sa value ni f of c multiplied dun sa kung kaano ka wide yung interval given by b minus a. So let's visualize what this theorem is trying to tell us. So let's say I have a function in my Cartesian plane. Let's call it y equals f of x. Tapos meron tayong closed interval na a to b. If we take the definite integral from a to b ni f of x, we will get the area of this shaded region. Now let's analyze kung ano yung sinasabi sa atin ng right side. Meron daw tayong value na c between a and b. So let's get the value. And I will call it x sub m. Kasi it is the x value that will give us the highest point of the graph in that interval. So parang x maximum. When we are at x sub capital M or x maximum, ang makukuha nating f of x sub capital M ay mataas. Tapos pag minultiply natin yung value ni f of x sub capital M sa b minus a, makukuha natin yung area nitong rectangle na to na kulay dilaw. And since maximum point nga nung function natin pag x is equal to x sub capital M, then yung area nitong yellow region na to, mas malaki siya dun sa area nung shaded region natin kanina, yung definite integral. So the definite integral from a to b of f of x dx, this is less than f of x sub capital M times b minus a. Now let's take another value of x dun sa interval natin. Let's call it x sub lowercase m. We're using x sub lowercase m kasi pag in-evaluate natin yung function at x sub lowercase m, we will get the minimum value of the function in our closed interval. So the area of this yellow region will be given by yung height nung rectangle, which is f of x sub lowercase m times yung base, which is b minus a, yung length ng interval. Now from the figure, we will observe that the area of the rectangle, mas maliit siya dun sa definite integral. Kasi may excess yung definite integral eh. But remember, na continuously nagbago yung area mula nung nandun tayo sa maximum papunta dito sa minimum. That should mean that meron tayong value in between na sasakto dun sa area nung definite integral natin. So again, andun tayo sa maximum, mas malaki yung area nung rectangle hanggang sa minimum, mas maliit yung area ng rectangle. Then as we were going from the maximum to the minimum, may mahihit tayong sweet spot na value which will be equal dun sa definite integral natin. So the mean value theorem does not give us the value of c. Ang sinasabi lang niya sa atin, merong c na mahihit niya yung exact area nung definite integral. Makakagawa ka ng rectangle with the same area as the definite integral. Salamat sa pakikinig.